It is early February and we're going to take a quick sneak peek behind the scenes. This is the elevator upstairs as we look into the future new office. This is the hallway behind the elevator. And as you can see, the offices are starting to be framed in. And the exterior of the building is starting to be stripped, cleaned, and prepared for paint. This is the future wall between two of the admin offices. And as we get over and look out the window, we will look up and you'll see above the stained glass where the roof facade is about to be worked on. No doubt a significant project and a lot of work still to be done. Here's our view from the future new choir room and a new wall being framed up. And of course our elevator. All of this is part of the new building facade. Of course, the sidewalk has been closed as they work on the facade and the outside of the building. And here you see some paint testing and post-pressure washing as they continue to work on preparing the outside of this building for a fresh coat of paint. And the future home of the new elevator.